Mornings are sacred. If you knew how many appointments I have in consulting with families, and I ask them to give me their week's schedule. And as they're giving me their week's schedule, my hair starts standing on end because, well, we have piano lessons at 9 o'clock on Tuesday morning, and we have da-da-da-da-da on Thursday at 10 o'clock, and we have da-da-da, and I'm like listening, kind of going like this. You know, on the phone, they can't see that I'm screaming inside. And then I wait for them to give me the whole schedule, and then I say, we have to talk now. And what we have to talk about is that your children's sweet spot for academics is about 9:30 till about 11:30 in the morning. That is sacred, and nothing and no one needs to interfere with that time, because afternoons, you can just forget it. If you think you're gonna come home and do calculus at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, just don't even dream of that. So mornings are sacred.